Crate training can be a great way to help your new dog feel safe and comfortable in their new home. Here are some ideas to help you crate train your new dog. Introduce the crate gradually. Start by leaving the crate door open and placing treats and toys inside. Allow your dog to explore the crate at their own pace and don't force them inside. Make the crate comfortable. Add soft bedding and a favorite toy to the crate. This will help your dog feel more comfortable and secure. Use positive reinforcement. Praise and reward your dog with treats and verbal cues when they enter the crate on their own or showing you positive behavior near the crate. Start with short periods of time. Begin by closing the crate door for a few seconds or minutes at a time while you are in the room with your dog. Gradually increase the amount of time your dog spends in the crate. Establish a routine. Create a schedule for your dog's meals, bathroom breaks, and crate time. This will help them develop a routine and make the transition to crate training easier. Don't punish your dog. Never use the crate as a form of punishment. This will create a negative association with the crate and make crate training more difficult. Be patient. Crate training takes time and patience. Don't rush the process and remember to always use positive reinforcement. Remember, crate training is not only helpful for housebreaking your dog, but also provides them with a safe and comfortable space to retreat to when they feel overwhelmed or stressed. With consistent training and positive reinforcement, your new dog will learn to love their crate and feel right at home in their new environment.